Try this.
Hey, what are you gonna make me do for the next week?
You're gonna juice or smoothie for 7 days.
Smoothies for 7 days?
Yep.
And nothing else?
No, you're only gonna eat fruits and vegetables.
Okay.
Raw food diet.
Okay. What, is that what you want your channel to be all about?
Yes.
Because hey, you're gonna start a YouTube channel, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
We need to sit down and we need to go over a few things. Okay?
Yes, on healthy food.
Healthy foods,
You're
that's
gonna
what.
try your first smoothie right now.
Okay, what was this smoothie made out of anyways?
It just has acai, strawberries, papaya, pineapple, mango, and blueberries.
Ooh.
And most of them are antioxidants, so it's
Oh,
good for us.
I'm
We're
gonna
starting
like
the
that.
new year off healthy.
I'm gonna like that. Yes, Happy New Year, by the way.
New year.
But you know, you said something funny that you would add
Avocados and spinach.
sometimes in your fruit smoothie.
Yes.
I've never heard
avocados is a
that.
creamer. But it's really good for you. It's really good for skin. It's like one of the 7 best foods for skin. Is avocados.
Okay.
So, and it doesn't taste like anything, so you might as well throw it in there.
All
I
right.
also like to throw fish oil in there.
Fish oil?
It's in a container in
Yeah.
the fridge.
Uh-huh.
I would never. You're supposed to like take 2 tablespoons of it a day.
Yeah.
It's super good for your skin and your hair. But I just pour it in there because it tastes like anything.
Okay.
And chia seeds. We should
Chia?
put some of those in. I forgot.
Chia seeds. I've heard of people putting flax seeds in.
Chia seeds are better than flax seeds. They're one of the best food. They're superfood.
I've never
One
heard
of the
of
best
chia
foods
seeds.
for you.
Premium black chia seed. Okay, so you're gonna put that in the smoothie?
Yes.
Okay.
I also sometimes put some almonds in it too. If you have a handful of nuts every few days, it really helps you. It's super good for you.
Sounds like a plan. I want to be healthy.
That means quinoa for dinner
Quinoa. Okay.
and tofu. You want to try it? See if you like it?
I'll like it. I'll
Okay.
like it. Is that a Vitamix?
Best blender ever. This is actually really good for people that want to lose weight. I wasn't trying to lose weight, but
Yes. I don't
did
think
it for 3 days and I lost 6 pounds.
I don't think you need to lose any weight.
I wasn't trying to. I just wanted to I wanted to glow. It makes you glow if you do.
So why do you think you need to juice for 7 days?
Because I want really clear skin. And I'm like really obsessed with how food affects your skin
Uh-huh.
and what it does for your body. And it's not scientifically proven that there is a relation between food and diet, but people have done experiments on themselves, and I've tried it and I've seen it clear up. I used to have really, really, really bad acne,
Uh-huh.
and in the past 2 years, it's really died down because I've eaten more vegetables, and I never ate vegetables before and fruit and stuff. And when I do things like the cleanse and stuff, I see it starts clearing up, but then I always have cravings, and I go for the bad food. It's hard. It's really hard. In the first 3 days, you have the most cravings, and if you can get past that, then it's easier. You have to clean the Vitamix on that thing.
Okay. Don't you just put it on here and swirl it around?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can fill it up with soap, water.
Oh, and this is how you're gonna wash it.
Yep. You can do a how to wash a Vitamix video.
Cheers. Good. really have to wash it that long?
30 seconds to 45 seconds.
Is that what they say?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of till it heats up, basically.
Uh-huh. Hey, so you said you don't like eating vegetables very much, but you just throw them in the Vitamix, and that's how you'll have your salad or stuff like that.
Salad, I gag. I think it's disgusting. It tastes disgusting. Probably because I've never had dressing. I've dipped my finger in it once. I think it's disgusting. I don't like croutons or anything like that. That's probably what makes the salad good.
Well, you know what? Lots of salads, the most fattening part is the dressing. You know, anything creamy, it's probably going to be fattening.
It's fun to put tomatoes. We have a juicer too. I tried to make tangerine juice the other week. Did not taste very good.
No?
Because the tangerines were sour and not ripe. But I drank it anyway. I wish we had an orange tree because fresh orange juice would be really good.
Okay, so 7 days we're going to do juicing. Huh? And nothing else?
We can eat quinoa.
We can eat quinoa?
Fruits, vegetables, and quinoa.
Okay. You're going to be the person in charge of that. You make it, I'll eat it.
Okay.
Alright?
That sounds good.
Okay.
We should weigh ourselves before and after.
Oh, we got to weigh ourselves too? Alright.
Weigh ourselves, and then we have to look at our skin, our face, and then at the end of the 7 days we'll see how we're probably gonna have softer skin too.
Ooh.
Babies.
I'd get softer skin if I just shaved.
It doesn't taste like Jamba Juice though.
No, this is good.
They put ice cream in this smoothies.
Well,
They're not good.
Yeah, they'll put sugar. I'm sure you think it's healthy, but it's probably
It's not.
not,
The
right?
best smoothie I ever had was at Down to Earth, the pitaya bowl. It's pitaya smoothie, there's a bowl too, but it's full like dragon fruit.
Ooh.
I think dragon fruit and mango and something else, but I've never had dragon fruit before. It's so sweet. It tastes like sugar. It tastes like sugar and honey and fruit all together.
Huh.
It's really good.
Well, here's to good health and a happy new year.
Happy New Year. Better than beers.
Hmm?
Better than alcohol.
Yes. Way better than alcohol. Okay, I got to get back to the Rose Bowl.